all her life, she's devoted to the public, to her work. And so yun lang po yung kahapon. Sabi namin magkakapatid, kahit ilang araw sa amin lang siya. So, but as I said again, we're very grateful to everyone. So, we're grateful to everyone for loving her, for honoring her, and for the love. Actually, lahat po nang nagpapadala ng condolences and their greetings. We really appreciate that. Sa kanila din po kami kumukuha ng lakas, kaming magkakapatid. A lot of people can testify on my mom's generosity. You know, hindi lang sa craft niya, o hindi sa lahat ng bagay. And that's why she's really loved by plenty. Yung pagiging genuine niya and malambing niya sa lahat. The way she helps others also. Walang question yun. So, I think each one who has also, known and been with my mom can testify to that. So, yun, maraming salamat lang. I asking lang for everyone's prayers for us, and for my mom.